This is how much I have earned with this strategy, and it's crazy how easy it is actually. Let me show you how it's done. Hit that subscribe button for more and let's get started. So this is the website which made me a lot of money, and you can use it as well to your own advantage if you just have a bit of patience to watch how all this works and later to invest your time into this, because that's the only thing that you have to invest here, guys. Only your time. This is totally free. As you can see, almost 250,000 workers are already on HireSign.com, and they have done nearly 400,000 projects. So that's a lot of money on this website. Really, it's a good website which has a good value for your time, and I'm going to show you how actually this works and how much money can you earn. As you can see, there are some types of jobs here. So for example, there are these typing jobs, and you know what it means. It's pretty much self-explanatory. You can just type something in a Word document and you're gonna get paid. So also there are some paid survey jobs, so you can input your opinion about various products and services that you use, and you will get paid for it. But this is the highlight of this website, guys. These are proofreading jobs, and you can just edit MS Word files and check for some grammar mistakes, and you're gonna get that money. So pretty easy, pretty straightforward, and it's profitable. You can see here that you only need elementary skills in proofreading. So you will just read what some other person wrote, and you will just correct the mistakes if there are any. You can use such applications online which are gonna help you. Even Word itself is gonna help you, but just look at this. This is competitive pay, guys. You will get $5 to $10 for each page that you review. So that's a lot of money, guys. Just imagine if there are like 10 pages, that's already $100 for you, and that's it, guys. Proofreading on this website is crazy good. Here we can see that they've got multiple payout options, so such as bank transfer. You can get paid via PayPal as well. You can get some gift vouchers and you can shop online with them, but that's not something that I do. I just take my cash in PayPal, and I suggest that you use that as well. Here you can see how money flows. So freelancer receives a project, and that's us. You will go and select which project you would like to work on. Then you will download that project onto your computer, and the client which has that project will deposit money to HireSign. You will get the project done, you will upload it back to the client, and then HireSign will approve the project, and then money is gonna go to your account. Then you do whatever you want with it. So I'm sure that you have learned so far what this is all about. Now I just gotta tell you these incentives, these benefits for you guys. You have better incentives on this website, and you will have more time for yourself. So freelancing is something which is gonna get you free, and you will get a lot of free time out of your work. And of course, you have better flexibility. You can decide when to work, how much to work, for how long to work, and it all depends on you and how hard working you are. Now, the only thing that we have to do on this website is that we have to make ourselves a new account. So I want you to go on HireSign.com and click here on the login button. You will be instantly redirected to this website where you can just log in with your username, but of course you don't have an account yet, so you will need to click on this button, apply now. And here on this website, they will give you some information on what jobs they have here, and we are specified for these proofreading jobs in this video, but you can take a look that they have some survey jobs, they have some typing jobs. You can see that you can get $4 to $6 per page on typing jobs, but I think that proofreading jobs are the most profitable. So I suggest that you start with this one, and if you maybe like graphic designing jobs, if you have some experience in that, you can always switch to that instead. But what we want to do now is we want to click on these proofreading jobs so we can go and sign up. On the next page, you will be redirected to these opinions and these technical requirements. So you have to be at least 16 years old, but I don't think that they will try and check out on you. I don't think that this is an issue. Also, you have to have a desktop or laptop PC. You have to have Microsoft Office, of course, on your device. And of course, you have to have an internet connection, a mobile phone. So that's all the stuff that you will need. These skill requirements, we have covered that. And now you just have to scroll down a little bit and click on this apply to be an online proofreader. Now you will eventually land on this page where they will require you to fill out this form. So you have some rules and you have some time to fill up forms. So you got 10 to 15 minutes, but don't worry about it. It's such an easy form. You won't need even 7 to 8 minutes to fill out this form, but it's really needed. So they need it. You will just scroll down and click on this button apply now so you can get your brand new free account. And this is it. This is application form. So you can notice here that you only have to enter your username, your first name, your last name, and then you will proceed to age, email address, but just be sure that you enter in a valid email address because they're going to send you a confirmation link which you have to click on in order to use your account properly. Now, this is very important. This is your notice period. You can see that you can choose immediately, 15 days, 1 month, and 2 months, and more. I select that you choose this one immediately, and then which position are you interested in? Of course, we want to do those proofreading jobs. Country, you can see that it works everywhere on the planet, so it doesn't matter where you come from. You come from Finland, France, wherever you come from. Current work status, you can just click on freelancer, and now you just have to enter brief description about yourself. So you only need like 2 or 3 sentences here. And then, of course, once your account is set up, you will just scroll and find through the jobs which are available on the website. Then you can start earning these monies, guys. There is a lot of money on this website, so I suggest that you use it. Of course, I always include some tools for getting this job more easier. This is Reverso. It is over at reverso.net. So what basically this does is the same principle as the Word Office has it. So it can correct your mistakes. So this is a grammar checker. It will check spelling and grammar for English texts. So you can just choose here which English you want. So I suggest that you keep it on the US. You will just paste your text here and it will automatically correct all of your mistakes. So I don't know if you want to write something like I don't want to write, it will automatically check it. And when you click on this button, it will correct this. You need to correct it by clicking on it, and that's gonna be it. This is a perfect tool for making your job easier. Now go out there, check this out, and I'll see you later.